Welcome to the CryptoNest. So, very nice day yesterday. Everybody's super smiling. Anyway, all the people that are in crypto for sure. Right, so we have once again 5-way up to complete a bigger wave 1 in yellow. We had an ABC wave 2 that reached. Now the question is this an ABC for the wave 1? I mean, this could be even more bullish, and this could be just an A, this is the B, and now we're doing the C. Actually, I thought I did put that option. It looks like I didn't. So let me change that. So A, B, C. I guess I'm going to use the yellow. And actually not yellow, it's already used. So let's go with dark blue. That's already used as well. Yeah, here you go, purple maybe. All right. So my primary count for the moment, it's still, this is the one, but as I explained yesterday, I'm not really happy with the ratio wave A to wave C. But if this is all this is just an A, now let me move that around and I put this little fellow on the side. So the alternative count, the purple one, then it would make more sense, but let's see how high this wave goes, and then we'll see. So once again, if we check the levels here, actually, let me see here. So that's good, and that's not that good. Okay, so here I'm going to just change the color for, I'm gonna use that one. What's the other color, I guess? And there you go. All right, so we have this potential A, this is the B, and this is the C. And if that is the case, then we are going to reach $22.41. If we go higher, even better. Or, and so all that would be just a wave 1, and then we'll do a wave 2, and then so on, right? This would be more bullish because allow the price to go higher with just a lower level 1. Okay, so now we have this other count that this is the wave 1, this is wave 2, and if that is the case, because the wave 1 was in 3 wave up, well, our third wave has to be as well. Let me move that also. Yeah, so we're going to have 3 waves as well to complete this third wave. So ideally, we should be reaching, oops, you didn't want to do that. Yeah, ideally 1.38, at least 26, 27 to make it really reliable. 1.236, 24.73 wouldn't make a good case that it's very, very reliable because you need to go and yeah, reach higher levels price to really be sure that this is the real count. More reliable. Probability will be more likely. Now I feel taking out this little guy because it kind of annoys me. And also I think this I can extend here. So this is the next peak that we need to challenge. As you can see, we don't have anything really. We do have, if I zoom in, a little bit of a peak here, but you know, it's it can cause a little bit of resistance, but because we do have, now I don't know where to put it, so it doesn't bother. We are near the 1-to-1 ratio, so we're going to check out this level eventually. But it's looking very, very good for hot and mining. And yeah, so we just need to be sure or careful about the 1-to-1 ratio, $22.41, and this is going to kind of give us a hint if if we get a rejection, then you can see that both ways that I'm counting about this level, I am expecting a rejection. If there is a possibility also that, you know, if this is a wave, rejection would start to a little bit lower, because otherwise we're really going to go much higher. But either ways, for a moment, I'm expecting a little bit more higher levels, even though, I mean, it could start this pullback here and then go up, and maybe it can stretch to a safe level to count it as a third wave. But yeah, higher would be better for a moment, so that the C wave doesn't have to extend and make it more likely to reach a nice valid target for the third wave. All right, so this is pretty much all that I wanted to share for the moment. And yeah, for sure, we're not going to go straight one way. So as you can see, I traced the A, B, and a C in orange. I updated also the these fibs. Actually, it looks like I didn't, because yesterday it did update a little bit more. So this is going to be static, right? The more the price push higher, the more this is going to change. Here, the green box is a high volume VRVP, but now the way as it goes, I'm not sure we're going to reach that level, because if price keep pushing higher, then yeah, and the B wave usually it doesn't. Well, they're very hard to gauge. First of all, B waves, they can be very shallow. I did put the 0.236, but honestly, we minimum we should be reaching the 0.5 fib retracement. That's going to be 1739, and I just leave them as a reference, because always nice to see a fib level and see if price is actually reacting to it or just go through. If it goes through, we know the following levels to look, but ideally 0.5, 0.618, 0.786. Those are the three that I'm going to check. Yeah, that's pretty much about hot and money that I wanted to share with you. Once again, amazing day yesterday, and but everything, you know, usually when it goes up, we need to expect a correction, and I am expecting a correction. So if we go in this level, then what I like to do, as you can see here, I did it. I do a triangle, and then after that yeah, for me this is accumulation level. The more it goes lower, the more okay, so now let me adjust here just to be all right. So I'm going to start to reaccumulate at the 0.382. This is a little bit earlier than it's supposed to, because I did say these starting from the 0.5, but you never know, maybe the pullback of this B wave is going to be very shallow, and then you know, yeah, so but that's personal, right? To me, if I don't have any coin, I start to accumulate at this level here, the 0.382. If I'm really desperate and something's crazy bullish, let's say in last year Solana, you know, I even start to accumulate slightly at the 0.236. And for this, for hot and money, because I already have some, I don't find for me it's worth it to start to accumulate. Yeah, I'm going to start to accumulate about at the 0.5 fib retracement. As you can see, I do have an alarm here just a little bit before to prepare me psychologically. I do not have any buy order limit for a moment. I'm going to check, you know, if my alarm comes and trigger. I'm going to check the structure of this pullback, and then I will decide. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.